Hey there, Devonshire. How are you? This is Gabriel Lamette, your lifestyle director, and I'm really happy that you joined us for this video because we are going to get into our July events. So without further ado, let's get into the fun. So Devonshire, we know that the 4th of July is right around the corner. So we thought, what better way to get into the 4th of July weekend than having a Liberty Lane swing by event. So this event is going to take place on July 2nd, and it'll be from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Now, you may be wondering, what can I expect at the Liberty Lane swing by event? You can go ahead and bring your kiddos out, and they can get a 4th of July bag that has all kinds of neat little 4th of July trinkets inside of it, which is so neat. Now, this is a pre-registered event, so please make sure you register. I know spots go very fast within the community, so please make sure you register. Now, another cool thing about this event is there is going to be free snow cones for all of those who have pre-registered for the event, so that's going to be awesome. I love snow cones, you love snow cones, we all love snow cones, so it's all good. Now, if you are someone that says, you know what, I didn't get a chance to pre-register, can I do anything with this? Yes. The cool thing is our vendor that's providing our snow cones actually is a food truck. So they're going to have snow cones, plus they'll have some other kind of foods that you might be interested in. Those will be available for purchase. So no matter whether you pre-registered or you did not, go ahead and come on down and have some fun as we get ready to get into our Independence weekend. See you there. So Devonshire, I am so happy that I get a chance to tell you guys that this is happening. We have finally been able to put a new date in place for our Pictures at the Park event. I know before we had to go ahead and postpone it because we had terrible weather coming and we didn't want people getting rained on or wasting the opportunity of having some fun outdoors. So we are going to have that going on July 9th. Now this will be July 9th, that's a Friday, and it's going to begin at 8:30. Now, the cool thing that we did to change this, because I know a lot of community members were looking forward to it, this is not going to be a pre-registered event. I know some of you are like, yes, this guy is finally letting up on the registration. I thought it would be a great idea too. So for this event, you don't have to pre-register. Just go ahead and show up. Now, one thing that we've added to it to make it even better, because as we told you before, we're going to be watching Soul, which is awesome. We are going to have free popcorn for the first 150 people that show up, which is awesome. We'll have some glow sticks, awesome. We've got a DJ, awesome. But you know how to make it more awesome? We have a food truck that's going to be here, and they're going to be able to supply all kinds of neat little concession foods. So please, 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 I want to see as many people here for this event as possible. Go ahead and come out with the family. You can bring your own stuff if you want as far as food is concerned, but know that we will have a food truck here on location. And even if you're someone who says, you know what, I don't want to check out the film, but I want to come and get some food from the food truck, do that as well. It all works. So I really look forward to this event. Again, this is going to be on Friday, July 9th, and it starts at 8:30 p.m. So let's all kick it as a family and let's watch a great film together. See you then. Hey there, Devonshire. So the next event that I'm going to talk to you about, I know you guys have seen it on our social media. You've seen it in our Devonshire Download newsletter. You've seen it everywhere. It is the Grill Off. Now, the Grill Off is coming to us on July 17th. That's going to be on a Saturday. It will be from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. You do not want to miss this event, I guarantee you. We have so many different things going on. We've got DJs that are going to be doing games for the community. We've got a fun zone for the kids to come out and have a blast. I don't want to tell you the stuff we got because I've got some really neat things I think everybody's going to enjoy for this community event. We also have a marketplace. This marketplace is going to be made up of you, Devonshire business owners. So this gives you an opportunity to find out who's in your neighborhood. We're also planning to have what I like to call a Rough Riders Parade. Now you're like, wait a second, what is a Rough Riders Parade? This is going to be a parade, a rough for your dogs and a parade for those cart people. All of you guys that like having your dogs, I want you to go ahead and dress them up and be a part of this parade. If you're someone that has one of those cool carts that are here in the neighborhood, I want you to go ahead and decorate those things out and we're going to make a parade out of it. Let's make some fun out of it. And so again, we've got so much happening. Plus, we've got a lot of food trucks that are going to be here. So you're not going to want to miss it. We've got everything from pizza to turkey legs and carnival food. We've got so much stuff happening with this event. Now, I don't want to give too much away because I did do some other videos that talk all about what's going on with the grill off. So please make sure you check out those videos. They're all within this channel. Make sure you check them out for more details, especially if you want to be a part of this. But again, you don't want to miss the grill off. No registration needed. All you got to do is show up and be ready to have fun as one Devonshire community. So I expect to see this thing packed out. Can't wait to see you all there. Till then. So for the very last event I want to go ahead and talk about for our July calendar is something that I know many community members were probably saying, oh, we didn't get a chance to do it in June. I just wanted to make sure, because we had so many different events taking place, that if we were going to do it, that it was done the right way. So we're back on the calendar with our Latte Lovers. This will be taking place now for July on July 23rd from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Again, July 23rd from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. I love this event because it's always great just to be able to see the community members come and stop by if they're on their way to work or if they're out for a stroll, taking a walk. It's always really nice. But then the other thing that I really appreciate about being able to see these types of small events happen is it gives a lot of community members to meet for the first time and have a nice, great conversation over a cup of joe and a nice, good snack. So I look forward to seeing you guys all there. It's going to be a lot of just hanging out for the morning and starting off the weekend on a good note, getting a chance to just mingle and talk. So I'll see you guys there, and thank you for joining me for this video. Till next time.